My 1.5-year-old slipped from bed and got a bump on her head. Here are some tips to help soothe the pain and ease the bump. First, comfort and reassure. Comfort your child with gentle words and cuddles to reassure them that everything is okay. Second, use an ice pack or cold compress. Apply a cold compress wrapped in a cloth or an ice pack, wrapped in a towel to avoid direct contact to the bump. This can help reduce swelling and numb the area slightly to ease discomfort. Third, elevation. If possible, keep your child's head slightly elevated to reduce swelling. Monitor for signs. Keep an eye on your child for any unusual symptoms such as excessive drowsiness, vomiting, or changes in behavior. If you notice any concerning symptoms, seek medical advice promptly. Pain relief. If your child seems uncomfortable, you can give them infant acetaminophen, such as Tylenol or ibuprofen, if they are over 6 months old, according to the dosage recommended by your pediatrician. Distraction and comfort. Engage your child in quiet activities that they enjoy to help distract them from the discomfort. Keep calm. Children often bounce back quickly from minor bumps. Keeping calm yourself will help reassure your child that everything is okay. Remember, if you have any concerns about your child's injury, or if they display any unusual symptoms, it's important to contact your pediatrician for further advice.